What's up, fellow pilots? It's Caleb here from Air 101. Do you know that your own aviation insurance company could go after you and or a responsible party in the event of a loss to regain their money? You might wonder, how is this possible? Well, let's talk about that. How could your own aviation insurance company go after you in the event of a loss? By having what's called a breach of warranty endorsement on your aircraft insurance policy. Normally, aircraft owners will have a breach of warranty endorsement on their policy if they take a loan from a bank to buy an aircraft. But the thing is a lot of aircraft owners don't really know what a breach of warranty really means. When you go to a bank to take out a loan to buy an aircraft, the bank wants to make sure that they protect their investment by making sure that in the event of a loss, if it's covered by an aviation insurance company or not covered by an aviation insurance company, they want to make sure that they get paid back the money that is owed to them so that the bank loan can be cleared. That is why the bank will usually, in most cases, require the individual taking the bank loan to have at least a minimum of 4 things on their aircraft insurance policy. They will want the aircraft owner to buy all risk flight and ground coverage. The bank will want to be named as a lost payee on the policy. They will want the breach of warranty endorsement on the policy, as well as either 15 days or 30 days notice of cancellation on the policy. By having these requirements on the policy, it will mean 2 things. Number 1, if the aircraft owner has a loss and it's covered by the aviation insurance company. In this type of situation, the aviation insurance company is going to pay out the bank to clear the debt first, prior to paying out any remaining money to the aircraft owner. The bank will be paid according to the normal lost payee endorsement, which usually says as their interest may appear, or commonly known as ATIMA, which means the bank will get paid according to what is still owing on the aircraft in the event of a loss. This type of situation really has nothing to do with the breach of warranty endorsement part of the policy wording, but it's definitely important to have the rest of the things that I talked about that should be listed on the policy. But in scenario number 2, this is where it's very important to understand what the breach of warranty endorsement means to an aircraft owner. Number 2, if the aircraft owner has a loss and is not covered by the aviation insurance company. For example, if there was a pilot that was flying the aircraft that was not approved to fly the aircraft, or they were intoxicated and had an accident and the loss was denied. This is where it's extremely important for the bank to have the breach of warranty endorsement on the aircraft owner's policy wording. Because if the breach of warranty endorsement is on the policy wording and the loss is denied, the aviation insurance company then is still required to pay the bank loan out back to the bank because this wording is on the aircraft owner's policy wording. This is why the banks want this wording added on the policy when an aircraft owner takes a bank loan out to buy an aircraft. Because in this situation that we just talked about, the aircraft owner technically breached the policy wording by allowing a pilot that should not be flying the aircraft to fly the aircraft. And this was out of the control of the bank. This is why the wording is on there, to make sure that the bank gets paid out, although the loss was still denied. But then what happens to the aircraft owner whose loss was denied? The insurance company then will want to regain their money. So then they will go after the aircraft owner and or responsible party that caused the loss to be denied. They will essentially, in a way, subrogate against the aircraft owner or responsible party to try and recoup their money. So what does this mean to you as an aircraft owner who is required to add the breach of warranty endorsement on your policy when you're taking a bank loan to buy an aircraft? You would want to be responsible and thoroughly read your aircraft insurance policy wording and watch the rest of the videos that are on this channel to help you understand what is covered and not covered on your aircraft policy. By doing this, it will help you so that when you buy aircraft insurance that you have the best coverage, so that in the event of a loss you get covered by the aircraft insurance company, the bank gets paid out and clears your debt, and then there's no need for the aviation insurance company to go after you to recoup their money. I hope that you learned something today. Stay up to date with your aircraft insurance policy, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.